In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Oracle free cloud database. If you are a developer, maybe just a student, or just getting started with cloud computing, Oracle offers a completely free tier that lets you host a powerful cloud database with no time limit and no credit card required. So what you'll need to do first is opening your browser. If you go to this URL section, here you can just go right away to oracle.com/cloud/free. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. As you can see, the cloud free tier. So you can go and click on sign in, as an example, to Oracle Cloud at the top right corner if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, as an example, all you need to do, just go and click on start for free. So you can go and click on start for free. And here you'll have to start filling up your information. As you can see, explore the free tier with a new OCI account, which you'll get, of course, an AI machine learning database, including all autonomous database, MySQL, and HeatWave, as example, developer services like Apex and Java. So now I'll just go and enter here, as example, my country and stuff. Other than that, of course, I'll choose as well my full name. I'll just go and enter my full name here. Like, I'm just going to do this and this example. So here, example, I'm just going to do my last name, and here I'm going to enter my email. So once I do so, I'm just going to click I am a human, or check that I am a human, and as you can see here, they'll check if you are a human by simple like this. So example, click on the image with the same animal species down in the sample. So of course we're looking for dogs, so I'm just going to select dogs here. Of course, this is like fruit, juice, avocado and stuff. I'm just going to click on next. The same will be here, so another dogs. I'm just going now to click on verify, and I should be good to go. So I can go now, click on verify my email, and once I do so, I'll have, as you can see, email verification link sent. So I'm just going to my email provider, which is in my case Gmail, and here I'm just going to click on the email that they sent me, and as you can see, here we are. So hello, thank you for interest in creating an Oracle Cloud account. To create an account, please verify your email address by clicking below. Click on it, verify email, and you should be taken here. Here, as you can see, you'll have to fill up the other information, so I can just go and close those. So now I'll have to set up a password. As you can see, make sure the password is good. As you can see, if you find too short or weak, that's not good. It should be at least like this strong. So of course, you might also like get, I guess, average. Or okay, never mind, you will not get average. So you'll just have to make sure it is strong. Of course, how can you do that? By simply having a minimum of 8 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, and 1 numerical, of course, and 1 special character. So you'll have to confirm that password as well. So the website seems a little bit slow, and sometimes I click it doesn't like good or be good. And here you'll have to choose the customer type. So are you corporate or individual? For me, I'm just going to choose here individual. And as you can see, the cloud account name, you can just go and choose that. So I'm going to change that into Omex example. Can I make, okay, so this is good. And now, an example, so already exists. Let's just go and add another X. Does this exist? No, it doesn't. So that's good. Now I'll have to choose the home region. Of course, you can choose the region that you want, as an example. So totally up to you to choose the region. Of course, your country may not be or may not appear. So I would advise you, of course, to choose something close to you. Like example, for me, I might find like here some Europe stuff that might be close to me. So let me just go and look for Spain. So there's the Spain option. It is very close for me. So as you can see, your home region is the geographic location where your account identify resources and primary identity domain will be created. And your home region selection cannot be changed after this step in the sign-up process. So some cloud services may not be available in all regions. As you can see here, so all regions for service availability. So free tier is not available in all commercial data regions. So please select the data region that is the closest to your location. If your project requires access to a specific data region, not available, of course, in the free tier, please consider sign up for a pay-as-you-go account by contacting Oracle Sales. So, of course, because of high demand and stuff, so you can just go and read all of that. As an example, in the South Korea, Japan, like A1 instance availability in these regions limited. If you plan to create an A1 instance, we recommend choosing another region as your home region. So for me, I'm just going to check this box because as you can see, by selecting this box, you acknowledge that your home region cannot be changed after this step in the sign up. So once you're done with all those, you can just go now and click on continue. As you can see, by clicking on continue, you agree to the terms of use and stuff. I would advise you to read that if you want to. Now, of course, here you would like to enter your address. So for me, as an example, I'm just going to do here some random address example. And let me just go do this like this, for example. Of course, like the address 2 and 3 is just optional. So city again, I'm just going to enter here my city, states, and other stuff just optional. So why not? Country is optional, and phone number, I'll have to enter it out. So let me just go and look for my phone number. So let me just go and pull up my phone right here, and we'll understand, of course. So let's go and hit Control Z. So because I deleted some stuff. So yeah, here we are. Here is my phone. So like this, 2283, and this. So I should be good to go. Now I can just go and click on continue again. And now you can add an example, a payments verification method. But don't worry, you won't be charged for using OCE free tier. If you choose to upgrade your account to a paid tier, you'll only be charged for services used over your always free limit. If you don't upgrade your account to paid tier, you will continue to have access to always free services. And you may see a small temporary charge on your payment method. This is a verification hold that will be removed automatically. So you can see the frequently asked questions example for more information. And we recommend double checking all information before submitting the form, since some info will automatically be filled. So Oracle does not accept any virtual or prepaid or single-use card in payments verification. So it should be like a real card. So now you can just go and click on add a payments verification method. Let's just go and click on that. And as you can see, here you'll have to go and add your credit card. It's required. So just go and click on that. I was mistaken at the before. And here, of course, as you can see, you'll have to add also your zip code. So let me just go and add that right here. So anything with this like stuff right here is required. Of course, you'll be able to change anything. And here you'll have to choose your payment details. So for me, it's a MasterCard. And I'll just go and fill up my card and come back to you. Make sure to do the same. So once you fill up your card, as you can see here, they will, as they said before, they will charge you a little bit, but probably it will be back as they said. So you'll have then, of course, to pay that amount. So as you can see, it's €1 or it's $1. And I guess it's gonna get back to you, so you can just go and pay that. And for example, a free cloud database, even if they didn't give it back to you, it's even like a very good option. So just go and do it, and then I'm coming back. So everything went well. As you can see, you'll find here Oracle Cloud free tier. Thank you. You can just go now and close this as an example. And once you're done, as example, you can just go and check this option, which is by clicking on Start My Free Trial. You agree to the terms and conditions of the cloud service agreement. As I said, make sure to go and read them out. Also available here, of course, if you want to read them out. So make sure to read it. It might take you a lot of time, but I would advise you always to read that stuff. So make sure to read it. And yeah, of course, and this order including like server description for free Oracle Cloud Promotion Universal credits, and you'll find here the part number. So you can now just go and click on Start My Free Trial, and you should be good to go. So let me just go and click on that as an example right here. So here we are. And so for me, I got the problem before because I entered some random informations that were not accurate. For you, you should have no problem. And if you still proceed with that problem, you can always just go and contact the support, and they'll help you definitely, especially if you have the like information that you entered are correct. It's not like me, of course, that I entered just some random informations. So if you keep getting that, you can just go here and click on contact like Oracle customer service, and you'll be taken, of course, to them to basically submit your inquiry. Once you do so, they will definitely just help you out to get it or get your cloud free database. As I said before, I entered some inaccurate information, so that's why I got this problem. And you can see entering incomplete or inaccurate information. This is one of the issues that I did. For you, make sure to enter everything accurate so you don't fail up in this problem. And if you keep getting that, of course, because you cannot like edit any of the earlier information, you will have just to go and start over and create using a different email, create another account using different email, and make sure to enter your accurate information. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.